Check it out, boys. I got some new dubs. Some checkered Dannies. How did that already happen? Let me show you these old sausages right here. Check this out. So Keely decided to eat them. That's awesome. And I've just worked in them. So I'm gonna try and make them not look like that this time. These are not work shoes. Although I'm about to wear them in the garage. You guys are watching this on Monday. I probably had a great time at Formula One. If you guys are ever curious about where I'm going or you want to know what I'm doing, stuff like that, follow my Instagram. I don't plug it very much. I probably should. But my stories and my posts are usually telling you guys what's going on with my life and where I will be. Follow me on Instagram. You can see some more of my shoes. Just kidding, I really never post about shoes. What I will post about, what you guys are seeing first, before Instagram or anything, is, I guess it's probably about time I show you guys what's in this box. And it's not a refrigerator, it's not a toolbox, it's something much more important. What's in this box is worth more than this entire build. How do I get this thing? This thing is big. Oh my goodness. It's a big sausage. Who's taller? This thing is definitely taller. Let's see how tall you are, babe. You're growing. Stop. That's crazy. You were like here last week. Stop. That's like a whole, all right, let's see.
I'm too shy, I don't wanna, let's see.
Yo, hold on, let's see. That's tall, dude. So right here, that's 3'8". And Victoria's 2'6". That's good. This is 4 feet right here. We're just little people.
14 inches.
Yep.
And that's 4.
Hey, math does not matter right now. Something I'm also super excited to tell you about. Twitter knows what this is, but there's a box back there that I'm also going to be bringing with us today. All right.
Oh, the staples.
Oh my God, okay. Oh. Nice. Oh no. Oh no, dude. Did you know that if you lick it, they stick together and you can make a long one? I said that on a sponsored post one time and they made me delete it, so ow! In here lies something,
oh my gosh,
greater than we can fathom.
It has to be windy today.
Oh my God, dude.
Sorry, neighbors.
It's getting everywhere.
You know,
Can you get like a trash bag and like start dumping?
Okay, yeah, let's do that.
Well, she's getting a huge trash bag. This is a Bodykit from R35. And I'm gonna answer a couple questions for you guys. For one, I'm not going wide body. I really like the way that the stock body R35 looks. In photos, the stock body just looks meh. But I'm telling you, in person, I think the stock body looks better than wide body. Eventually, like, will I do wide body? I don't know, I don't think so, but right now I'm getting forged wheels to stock body spec, and this is going to make the stock body look so incredibly awesome. I have the 2009, which is the first version of GTR, and the front bumper, I mean, it looks okay. You guys that don't own the GTR probably don't know too much of the difference, but this bumper doesn't have the LEDs, it has the first style grille. 2017 is a whole revamp, and I still am on the way those look. Some people like to buy 2017 front bumpers, but that just seems poserish to me. So I got a little bit of a flex. This is gonna be really awesome. How's it going?
It's so slow.
You could fit Jerome in here.
I could fit everybody in.
I could dive into this and be totally comfy. Let's try and do it this way. Oh geez, it's not working.
Come on, wait.
I have an idea. Having an epiphany.
That's what I was gonna say.
It's very heavy. Look at this. Oh, you guys can't, obviously I can't even see it yet, so I'm just getting excited.
Y'all, look at this.
Oh, it's got a huge splitter on the bottom. Look at this.
Nice.
Okay. All right.
Hey, I'm impressed.
Okay, these won't get stuck in the turtles' noses, so it's all fine. It'll be dissolved by the time it hits water.
Okay, hold on, let's close this before like a big wind comes and blows it out.
This is a Prior Design front bumper. Prior Design makes very high quality body kits for very high-end, high-tier cars. But this is super exciting. They have a full kit. I'm actually piecing together different pieces for the whole body kit, but let me go ahead and show you what this little boy is. Ooh, look at that. Nice, nice. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Hey, real quick, just in case you guys don't believe me, I just want to show you. I'll show you what these things do. You just kind of dunk it in there, pour some water on it. This is what happens to it when it gets wet. All right? Yeah. It's goop. It's gone. It's literally gone. Turtles are okay. I did so much research on GTR body kits. There's a lot of really cool ones out there, including Varus. Varus is pretty cool. Liberty Walk, I think, is a little overrated, and it just, quite frankly, I'm gonna leave my opinion blank there. There's not very many non-wide body kits you can get for the R35. So, doing a bunch of research, I found Prior Design. And they have the non-wide body variant and the wide body variant, and I will tell you guys, the wide body variant does look really sick as well. But this is gonna make it super aggressive. This bumper is way lower. It's got a huge splitter on it that's reinforced into the bumper, so I don't have to, like, this is gonna be so tight. And it goes all the way back here, so it's super reinforced. It's super high quality and it's bendable. It's gonna be pretty durable.
Can't find anything.
Nothing's in here? There's seriously, like, there's so much. Like, what is, oh, wait. There's
Side markers?
That's something. So now we know there's things in here, so we need to keep looking. So these little guys are for LED brackets for right here. My GTR does not actually have the LEDs, so these are gonna be open with some mesh behind them to make it look pretty cool. I would do it, but the LED conversion itself, like the LEDs themselves are like $2,000. And then it's another like $1,000, $1,500 in labor because it's very difficult to get it run. I'm gonna bring the GTR out a little bit so I can go ahead and compare the two. So you guys can see how different and how much more aggressive this bumper is gonna be. Yo, this is gonna be aggressive as heck, dude. It's gonna be pretty hectic. Wow. The stock 09 bumper is like, to me, it's super boring. It's honestly really simple. There's nothing crazy about it. I think the design is honestly just kind of boring. With this guy, you have a lot more aggressive center section, like a lot more aggressive cuts. It comes up and down, like this little piece is different than the stock bumper, and a lot of you guys might not be able to tell the difference, but a lot of you guys definitely can. The grille is the biggest difference. I like that it's angled this way. Whenever this grille is angled this way, it just makes it kind of an awkward cut, and this looks just way more aggressive. The huge vents right here do look pretty cool. I might end up just adapting that LED bar and putting something there, like a reflector or something like that. But also, you notice like you have like the big giant splitter on the bottom, the splitter that's actually mounted to it, and it's super reinforced. And you have these nice little cuts and passageways for airflow. So it's gonna adapt to the stock under tray, and it's gonna be much, much lower. It's gonna look way more aggressive. Now, to talk a little bit about the flow of the body kit, obviously this has a super aggressive splitter going all the way around, and it's not gonna match up very well with the stock side skirts. Prior Design does have a full body kit, and it looks amazing, but it's really, really expensive. There's a couple companies like JUN. JUN's a super like authentic old school Japanese company that makes side skirts that will go really, really well with this, so it'll have like a lip on the bottom of it. So I'm definitely gonna be piecing together a lot of little things to make this look really good. Now, let's take this sucker to Delira and see what he thinks. Dude, I dig the shirt. What's up?
I'm an Xbox guy.
You ready to see it?
Yeah.
It's pretty gnarly. It's got like the whole... Oh yeah. What's crazy is like, I mean, it's all like fitted to shape, like it's all good.
Good to go.
So they didn't give us any mesh. I'm gonna have to buy a 2012 and up grill.
Okay.
So I'll just have that. And then I don't have the wiper or the headlight washer fluid stuff.
Did you remove them?
That doesn't come with mine. Yeah, so it's like a 2012 and up. So just fill that over if you can. Other than that, I mean, it just needs paint, and then I guess the Delira swag on it, you know. So we're gonna end up just painting this the regular black, and then after it's done, I'm thinking about getting like a wrap over it, like to protect it or whatever. So Might do that. Might end up getting a wrap after this done, but I'm stoked, man. I'm excited to see how it fits for one, and just how it looks too. I think this thing's gonna be actually crazy.
It's gonna look aggressive, dude.
So you like it?
I love it.
You ready? Excited to work on it?
Yes, I'm ready to recreate it again.
I gave you, a 2-week break from, the crazy stuff.
Yeah, time to get back on it.
This thing's gonna look really cool. We're gonna have some nice goodies, some carbon stuff, and maybe even some carbon there. But we're gonna integrate this, and it's just gonna look insane. So the body kit is gonna be here for a little bit, getting all that stuff done. And then that other box I showed you is here as well. You guys will figure out what that is here in about a week or so. Right now I'm waiting for my forged wheels. I don't know if I wanna go the crazy front bumper route until I actually get like my fitment and stuff dialed in. Plus I have some more stuff coming for the R35 as well to make it look pretty cool. We're gonna have a lot of carbon on it, and I'm stoked about that. Can't wait, dude. This thing is going to be crazy. Jose, take good care of her.
Yeah, no problem.
We're gonna head to Austin and go have some fun at Formula One. See you later, bumper. Well, the cat is out of the bag. I'm very, very, very excited to be modifying a car with like the status of the R35. It's cool. It's like a next level, like big league craziness, and it's something that I'm definitely not familiar with, and it's just a lot of fun, and I'm very excited about that. Honestly, for my daily advice for you guys today, I'm just gonna say what I said last video, because sometimes it's important to just be reminded and hear things again. Like repetition can sometimes burn things into your brain. You are never put through situations and trials that you can't endure. You're always able to overcome anything that happens in life. You're never put through instances in life where you're not strong enough to overcome it. Know today that whatever's going on in your life is surpassable. It is accomplishable. You could be champion of whatever is going on. And I wish I could tell you guys. Everything I'm telling you is from experience. And I want you to know that no matter how just helpless you feel, you can win whatever's going on. So I want you guys to know that. I want to embed that into your minds today. I needed to say that again because so many people loved it, and I think that the repetition helps. So just know you can be champion over whatever's going on in your life. You're never too weak to endure whatever's going on. Peace. Watch those 2 videos, and that's it. I'm gonna drive because I'm responsible. I'm not gonna talk and drive at the same time. That's rude. That's bad.